place to stay. Great value for what you pay. GLENLOCH Tea Factory Hotel was an absolute gem for our family getaway. From the moment we stepped in, we were greeted with warmth and efficiency. Our room was spacious, clean, and had a fantastic view of the mountains. Exceptional good. Hospitality at its peak. We were well cared for. Special thanks to Ms. Kamalesh, who made the tea factory visits memorable for the children. Best budget location near Rambutan. This tea factory hotel is best budget hotel stay in Thunthana. They organized a free tea factory visit and tea testing. Very friendly staff. Room facilities are considerable. If you travel around Kothmal, this is the ideal place. Best budget location on Rambutan. This tea factory hotel is best budget hotel stay in Thunthana. They organized a free tea factory visit and tea testing. Very friendly staff. Room facilities are considerable. If you travel around Kothmal, this is the ideal place. My experience. I booked this place while I was traveling to stay one night there. It was just a quick booking while I was driving through Akoda, and they were provided with a 60% offer. Even it was 60% low-priced booking, hotel staff provided exemplary service to me. They offered me a 50% discount for products I bought from their tea shop. The room was reasonably okay, and the cleanliness was good. You can enjoy a refreshing environment and can plan mountain hikes too. A breakfast was excellent. The complimentary fresh tea experience was terrific. Stay at GLENLOCH. The location is easily accessible, with ample parking available. The staff was excellent, and the food was delicious, providing great value for money. While the rooms were clean, they could benefit from additional amenities. Overall, it was a positive and convenient stay. Good location with clean rooms. You get the one of the best teas in Sri Lanka plus the clean and good accommodation. Excellent. Had a great experience. Ms. Shiva helped us to visit factory and buy tea, and well explained about tea. Also arranged a tea taste as well. Very nice. A bit novel to have hotel and tea factory was not given choice for breakfast. No fridge in room. All other hotel similar price had small fridge.